Good morning, students. So all of you open your maths classwork, okay, and write today's date and write exercise 1.1. As well, open your textbook, page 4. So you have a question in page 4, exercise 1.1. So copy the question from here and draw this number line also, and copy first question and be ready. So pause the video and copy the question. Should be written in classwork. Fine. So what is the first sub question? Observe the number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. So they have asked you to observe this number line, and we are supposed to write the temperature of all these 5 cities name in your first sub question. Starting with first one, Lahul Spiti. So write down answer for first one, Lahul Spiti. So what is the temperature at Lahul Spiti? We have to write the temperature in degrees Celsius. So we have 0 here. Next to that it is -1. Next -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. Okay, Lahul Spiti is having the temperature of -8 degrees Celsius, because they have mentioned we have to write the temperature in terms of degrees Celsius. Now next Srinagar, this is 0, so this will be -1, -2. So Srinagar is exactly having -2. Next, which city we have? Shimla. So Shimla is exactly at 5 plus 5 degrees Celsius. Next we have Ooty. So this is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Ooty is exactly at 14. Bengaluru also, let us find now itself. This is 20, 21, 22. So Bengaluru is plus 22 degrees Celsius. Ooty is 14 degrees Celsius. So now let I write it in my classwork. So I have written Ooty as 14 degrees Celsius and Bengaluru as 22 degrees Celsius. So no need to mention plus. Plus and all, it's not important. But if it is negative, it is very important to mention. Second sub question. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? So first we need to find which is the hottest place as well as which is the coldest place. So hottest place is, whichever is having more positive value, that will be your hottest place. I repeat, whichever is having more positive value. Okay, among these 5 states or among these 5 cities, which is having positive scale of temperature? Shimla is having positive value, Ooty is also having positive, Bengaluru is also having positive. Among 5, 14, 22, which is the biggest number? 22 is the biggest number. So Bengaluru is the hottest place from the 5. Now coldest place. For coldest place, we have to check for negative value. Whichever is having more negative value, that will be your coldest place. Only Lahul Spiti and Srinagar is having negative value. Among this 2 and 8, which is greater number? 8. So 8 -8 degrees Celsius is the coldest place, and the city holding that is Lahul Spiti. But this is not my answer. What we need to find? We need to find the temperature difference between these two cities, between the hottest as well as coldest. So Bengaluru, it is 22 degrees Celsius. It is -8 degrees Celsius. We need to find the temperature difference. Difference means what? Minus. So we have to find difference between hottest, that is 22 degrees Celsius. Difference minus between the hottest and the coldest. Coldest is -8 degrees Celsius. Now what you gonna do means, since we are having minus here 2 times, multiply that minus. So minus into minus is what? Plus. Remember, it's very important. Minus into minus is plus. So this will be same 22 degrees Celsius, but minus into minus is plus 8 degree Celsius. Nothing means it is plus. Since the signs are same, add it as said in previous week. So when I add 22 plus 8, it is 30 degrees Celsius, plus 30 degree Celsius. Okay, similarly, we need to find the temperature difference between Lahulspati and Srinagar. So Lahulspati temperature is minus 8. We have to find the difference. So minus. Srinagar temperature is minus 2. Write minus 2 in the bracket. I am writing. Now what you have to do? Minus 8 degree Celsius will be same, but you have to multiply the sign. Minus into minus plus. We have 2 degrees Celsius. See, it's very easy. Minus 8 degrees Celsius. Minus into minus plus. That you have to remember. Minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus 2. Signs are different. Whenever signs are different, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to subtract. So subtract 8 from 8 2 goes means it is 6. But greater number is 8, which is having minus sign. So minus 6 degrees Celsius. Now last D. Can we say the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than temperature of Shimla? We have to add the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla and we'll be getting one value. That value we have to check whether it is less than the temperature of Shimla. So let I find the addition temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. So Srinagar temperature is minus 2 degrees Celsius, isn't it? It is minus 2 degrees Celsius, whereas Shimla temperature is plus 5. So add minus 2, add means plus. Okay. So minus 2 degrees Celsius, plus into plus, plus 5 degrees Celsius. So signs are different. So what you are supposed to do? Subtract. So it is 3. When I subtract 5 from 2, I will be getting 3 degrees Celsius. Greater number 5. 5 is having plus, so plus. So is 3 degrees Celsius is more than the temperature of Shimla? What is the temperature of Shimla? It is 5 degree, plus 5. Plus 5 is greater or plus 3 is greater? Plus 5 is greater. So I can say temperature of both Srinagar and Shimla taken together, when I add, taken together means when I add the temperature, what I am getting? I am getting plus 3 degrees Celsius is less than the temperature. It's less than the temperature of Shimla. What is the temperature of Shimla? Temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. Isn't it? So this is what. Also we have to check, is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? Yes. Is 3 degrees Celsius is less than the temperature of Srinagar? What is Srinagar temperature? Minus 2. Plus 3 or minus 2? Which is less? Minus 2 is less, isn't it? So I can write for secondly temperature of both Srinagar and Shimla. Srinagar and Shimla taken together. I am a bit fast, but you have to pick up the speed. Taken together, if it is taken together, it is 3 degrees Celsius. Is not less than, it's not less than the temperature of